Hello everybody and welcome. Today we're going to be installing some floor mats into the 2022 Model Y. I've chosen the Road Comforts brand because I use them in my other vehicles and I really do like it. I'll tell you why I made this choice. So let's get them installed. These are the floor mats that come with the Model Y. They are a carpet. They've got some kind of a semi-Velcro feel, which keeps them from moving around here onto the actual carpet on the bottom. They have a dead pedal piece here in the carpet and underneath the pedal. So I'm going to be removing these and we're going to stick the Road Comforts in. So let's take this out and install the Road Comfort. The Road Comforts come neatly packed in the group here. That looks like the ones we want. This will be the driver and the passenger side mat. So let's have a look here. Okay, that's the passenger side. There we go. There's the driver's side. So let's see how they fit. Got a wide angle here. Try to do this with one hand. Kind of hard to do. It's all right. All right, there you go. The Road Comforts fit well. They've got a little bump on the back that keeps it from moving around. They're fitting nice and snug, covering the dead pedal and everything else. Now, without going into a lot of detail, these feel like real rubber. The reason you want that is if you take your shoes off and drive, or you need some friction, it allows your foot to not slide with a hard, non-friction style floor mat. They look okay. All right, well, I'm going to get the other ones installed now. Go ahead and remove the passenger side floor mat. Take the new floor mat, which looks like it goes in this way. There we go. Passenger side floor mats are installed. They fit perfectly. And got a nice rubber texture. And one of the benefits of these mats is they do not have any smell at all. I know I had some Lloyd's mats and you had to leave them out and they stunk to high heaven for a while. These have absolutely no smell. All right, well, let's get the back seats in. The rear seats in the Tesla is a single mat. These are the stock mats. So we'll pull them out, just like that. Let's go get the other ones. All right. And these are well sealed. All right. See if I can all do this with one hand. All right, there you go. It's a two-piece arrangement. This one fits on the top of the other one, so we'll stick the right side in. That'll be next. All right, we're going to install the right side in. They fit snugly up underneath. All right, let's get the other side in now. There's an interlocking seam. Get this one lined up. sure the seam's where it's supposed to be. And just like that, there we go. That's as difficult as it is to install these style of floor mats. Yeah, they fit well. Fit all around where they're supposed to go. Looks good. All right, let's check the front out. All right, this is the front passenger side. As you can see, it fits well. All right, let's check out the driver's side. This is the driver's side. As you can see, they beef it up underneath your heel, and it fits nice. Here are my big fat feet, and I gotta tell you, they are plenty of grip. One of the benefits of these style is if you drive with your shoes off and you put your leg here, your foot doesn't slip. This enough friction here on the mat itself, so it keeps your leg wherever you put it, it's gonna stay. I really prefer these. I actually have these in all my other vehicles. So let me show you the difference. These particular mats for 2021 Model Ys, they've made an improvement like Tesla always does, and they undercut the mount here for the seat, giving you a little bit more space. The mats don't go all the way to the edge of this new mount here in 2022 Model Y, but it's all right. I sit in the back seat anyway. I've got gigantic long legs, and it covers everywhere I'm going to put. If I get my feet over there, that's almost straight down here, so I don't need to cover up under here. There you go. It's just that easy to install new floor mats in your Tesla Model Y. I chose the Road Comforts brand. That's roadcomforts.com. You can also purchase them from Amazon if you wish, perhaps other places. I like the feel. It has no smell. I've also used these mats in all my other Teslas with good success, and I really do like them. So I bought them here for the new long-range Model Y. Of course, there's a zillion other style mats out there, just about any and everything you want. However, for me, the texture, the feel, the rubber-like feel to it really works well for me. And I've been very successful with these mats. If you liked today's video, go ahead and click the like, and if you would, please subscribe to the channel. There will be more things coming up. I have my radio install coming up, and I've got a few other goodies coming up, so don't miss that going forward. Thank you for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.